The Suzuki DR800 is one of the legendary adventure motorbikes ever produced by Suzuki. This motorbike was first launched in 1990 and immediately became popular among adventure motorbike lovers. In 1999, Suzuki stopped production of the DR800S. This disappointed Suzuki adventure motorbike fans. However, rumors circulating say that Suzuki will re-release the DR800 with a twin-cylinder engine in 2025. Even a famous designer, Oberdan Bezzi, created a concept for what the Suzuki DR800 twin would look like. So keep watching. The Suzuki DR800 comes to replace the DR750 in 1990. The engine displacement increased from 727cc to 779cc. Otherwise, it was still just about the same bike. DR Big saw a major update in 1991. The gasoline tank was decreased with 5 liters, now being only 24 liters. The form of the tank was also new. The scooping on the sides of the tank was made wider for riders with long legs. Also, the saddle was wider and more comfortable, and even the suspension was upgraded. The DR800 is equipped with a single-cylinder engine with a capacity of 779cc, which is capable of producing 64 horsepower. This motorbike also has a tough design and is suitable for adventuring in various terrains. But unfortunately, Suzuki stopped production of the DR800 in 2017. However, rumors circulating say that Suzuki will re-release the DR800 with a twin-cylinder engine in 2025. This rumor also strengthened after Oberdan Bezzi, a famous motorcycle designer, released the rendering concept of the new DR800 twin. This concept features an adventure motorbike with a modern design and is equipped with a twin-cylinder engine with a capacity of 800cc. If this rumor is true, then the Suzuki DR800 twin will be a new competitor to other twin-cylinder adventure motorbikes such as the Honda Africa Twin, Yamaha Tenere 700, and Kawasaki Versys 650. The Suzuki DR800 twin is expected to feature an adjustable upside-down front fork and rear monoshock, 21 inches front and 18 inches rear wheels, traction control, and a ABS switch can be deactivated, as well as a digital instrument cluster with Bluetooth connectivity. That's all.